Friends, your topic for today is concept of property. So property has a very wider meaning. It's in its real sense. It not only includes the money and the other tangible things of value, but it also includes any intangible right considered as a source of element or income or wealth. The word property is used in a numerous senses in general. If one looks around in the surroundings, everything available may be categorized as property. Every object, whether tangible or intangible, having some value to human beings, may be termed as property. The essential characteristics of property is the value attached to it. In one way or the other, it is a source of wealth. The value, although may be either monetary or personal. In general sense, therefore, property consists of land, shares, building, debts due to another person. However, the term, when used in legal sense, has a definite connotation. It is right to enjoy and to dispose of certain things in an absolute manner as one thinks it fit. So origin of property is derived from the Latin word propriety and the French equivalent properties, which means a thing owned. The concept of property and ownership are very similar to each other. However, there is a fine line that distinguishes the two terms. It will not be incorrect to state that humans have been aware of their rights to possess what they rightfully own for long. The term property has been widely interpreted by the various jurists like Salmon, Bentham, and Austin. Close observation of the definitions are done by these jurists. Theories behind concept of property. There are many theories which have been evolved for the purpose of understanding the concept of property properly. Those theories are as follows. First is the historical theory of property, second is the labor theory, third is the psychological theory, fourth is the function theory, and fifth is the philosophical theory that has property as means of technical ends and property as an end in itself. So these are the various theories that are that has evolved by the jurist from time to time.